So, hey everybody, I'm here with my bestie Brett, and today we're making. Oh, I need to retake this. Hey everyone, today. God damn it!
What? Chicken bombs.
Okay, wait, where's the wine? Oh, we need a wine.
Oh, you want some wine? Good.
That's a lot better. What's up, everybody? I'm here with my best friend Brett. We're at his house, and today we're making
Buffalo Chicken Biscuit Bombs.
I'll take you through the whole experience. It's Saturday night.
Ready to party!
We got our wine. We're fucking hungry as hell, so here we go. We found this recipe on Facebook, and we're actually doing it. People don't actually cook the recipes you find on Facebook. You usually just like find them and save them, and you're like, oh, that looks so good, we should make it sometime. But like, we're actually doing it, so this is kind of a big step, I would say.
Kind of a big deal. We melted our butter.
Okay.
And next we are putting, I don't know if you can read that backwards, chopped garlic. And then we gotta chop some chives.
Nice. Can I just shred this chicken right on this thing?
You can shred whatever you please.
Shred it.
That truck is freaking sick, dude! Oh! Shred it!
Shredded, bro.
Okay.
I got some chicken.
What you got there?
Some blue cheese.
Blue cheese.
Ugh, it smells terrible.
And chicken
Yeah, blue cheese,
in the bowl.
chicken.
Blue cheese.
And then we need mozzarella cheese. This is right here. 4 ounces of cream cheese. What is
Okay, this, when you crack the dough part, this is like the scariest, most funnest part. Do you know? You never done it? If you like.
Get out of here.
Oh.
Pop.
Pop, pop, death pop.
Went off. There you go. Pop it off. Don't think, just go. Here we go. Do it, yes.
Shots fired! Hey Terry, I did my first desk pop. It's a real thing, right?
Okay, so now this is key part. The hot sauce.
That should be okay for now, I think. I got spray.
Listen.
Rank.
Unrolled all that dough. It actually took a lot longer than we thought. Now we gotta bomb it.
Bomb it.
Bomb it. And you gotta wrap it, right?
Yep.
Yes. Yes, look at it. Okay, one. Okay, this is what we have right now. Now we just have to butter them with chives and melted butter. Okay, here we go. Let's see what the final product comes to.
20 minutes later.
Is done.
Whoa, my God! Yeah.
We're gonna get like 4 pounds, right? Maybe we just made like a signature dish. Like that you're making like a party.
This is like a professional, pretty professional dish.
Take a picture.
Oh, that raspberry is so good.